Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make choux pastry for eclairs. First, combine water, butter, salt, and sugar in a saucepan. Bring this mixture to a rolling boil over medium heat. Quickly add all-purpose flour and stir vigorously until a smooth dough forms. Continue cooking for about 2 minutes, stirring constantly until the dough pulls away from the sides of the pan and forms a ball. This process is crucial for developing the right texture. Next, transfer the cooked dough to a mixing bowl and let it cool for a few minutes. This prevents the eggs from scrambling. Add 4 large eggs, one at a time, mixing well after each addition until fully incorporated. The dough should become smooth and glossy, with a consistency that slowly falls from a spoon, forming a V shape. This ensures your pastry will rise properly. Now, transfer your choux pastry to a piping bag fitted with a large round or star tip. Pipe 2-inch long strips onto a parchment-lined baking sheet, leaving some space between each. Bake at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes, then reduce the oven temperature to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and continue baking for another 20 to 25 minutes. This 2-stage baking creates a crisp exterior. Once baked, remove the choux from the oven and immediately pierce each one to allow steam to escape. This prevents them from becoming soggy. Let them cool completely on a wire rack before filling. Once cooled, you can fill your eclairs with pastry cream, whipped cream, or any other delicious filling. Finish with a chocolate glaze or a dusting of powdered sugar for a delightful treat.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.